Lovely ladies, as I say, why should we just celebrate one day as Women's Day when you have such awesome women around you? Every day should be celebrated as Women's Day. So I just heard Amruta singing. Can you just like say a few lines so that we can start?
Oh, great. But what do I sing? Like, it's like,
कुछ भी आप
तुम
क्या गा रहे हो?
अपने रंजोगम अपनी परेशानी मुझे दे दो तुम्हें गम की कसम इस दिल की वीरानी मुझे दे दो
क्या बात है, my God.
Lovely. So, on that note, as they say, behind every successful woman is herself. So, but ladies, tell me, we all of you have portrayed awesome women on Reel and are awesome women in real, which is one conversation in 2021 you do not want to have going forward. नहीं सुनना, नहीं डिस्कस करना.
Let's go on a Zoom call.
That's a very good one.
yes we would have liked to hear personally right exactly yes
would have wanted
Internet
to
is
feel first.
unstable. Your internet is unstable.
But I'm
another
asking in
virus is coming
context.
up
There's already many viruses sprouting.
I don't want to hear that again.
No, but I'm asking in context of being women in the industry, which is that one thing you really don't want to deal with in 2021 in terms of stories, in terms of being female creators, which is that one thing you don't want to hear anymore. Ho gaya bas.
What's it like to be unconventional? I'm tired of this word. I think everything is unconventional, yeah?
No, I also have one which was hit at me, which was, so how are you going to manage work now since you have a baby?
Yeah, I'm waiting
Oh
for
my
those.
God. I don't want to hear that again.
Totally. What about the three of you?
no, frankly for me I'm not tired. I'm tired of hearing anything because people are saying new. Yeah, no. Frankly, because people are saying new things. Like directors are approaching with newer and newer kind of spaces and roles. So I'm happy actually. I'm not tired.
I think 2020 changed me a lot. So I'm kind of open to hearing what I've heard and don't feel, terrible about it at all anymore. Also, as she said, we've kind of seen enough life and enough of people around. तो अभी वो पास से हो गया है और अभी अच्छी चीज़ें आनी शुरू हो गई हैं. So you kind of, enjoy and absorb that more. And थोड़ा सा इधर उधर आता है, so kind of used to it.
So like Pooja, like Zoom calls we don't like, but while Zoom call is happening, we were singing also. So, it's that kind of a thing we are all doing, right? I mean, there are things which we get tired of, but we sing,
I think what I keep hearing a lot is, but why don't you do more glamorous roles? I think that's something that I really stop hearing. I think that's something that women really need to stop hearing. Actresses, that, why don't you do more glamorous
Yeah,
roles?
I'd like to
Why?
hear more men getting that question. I don't think men are ever asked that.
True.
That's
and
true.
as Nina
Well
Gupta
said.
rightly in the previous roundtable told me, she says, मेरी उम्र के आदमी सारे हीरो प्ले कर रहे हैं, मुझे क्यों नहीं करने दे रहे? Do you think that will change? Because they always say female actors after a certain age are looked in that bracket.
But Pooja, that's changing now. I
That's
think
changing,
that is
exactly,
really changing.
exactly.
I'm seeing it change because I started in the late 90s and there was lots of stuff happening that time which wasn't like this at all. You were into proposals. एक हीरो होता था, एक हीरोइन होती थी, फिर एक विलेन होता था, बड़े
हाँ.
टिपिकल से रोल्स होते थे और उसमें भी आपको
जी.
बड़ा सोच के लिया जाता था कि ये सेलेबल कैसे होगा. Now it is story oriented. Now everything is around the story. In fact, I feel so amazed that sometimes probably a huge star will say, listen, I want to do Divya's role. So it's kind of intermingled out. It's more character oriented. It's more what people want to see you as normal, relatable people. So I think that's a very, very heartening change that's coming.
We come from a society where men become sirs at 40 and women become auntie at 40. And that is changing because I think today the way women are portrayed, the different characters, I think the kind of roles that are being written, I think as an actor, I'm so comfortable, so secure growing up, you know, because we come from, you know, we've grown up watching films where everyone is a college student. Everyone is just young characters and young actors, and, you know, everything is so young and bubbly. I think nobody's offering me bubbly roles anymore. I think that's a huge success, I must say.
I second
Let me
what,
tell you, Haji. Haan. नहीं नहीं
what
बोलो
Divya
बोलो.
ji was saying. Yeah, and Kalki, you remember that day? You know, me and Kalki, we had a conversation when I was doing Gully Boy, and you know, we were just discussing ki, you know, because I was playing a role which was a bit older than my own age, and we were like, what will happen next? But then, as Divya ji said, the times are changing, because after that, Kusum Devi Yadav happened on Netflix. And after that, now on Bombay Begums, I'm playing a bar dancer who is turning a prostitute. So, you know, times are changing now. It's not like if you do a certain thing, then you're slotted there.
Typecasting is
Isn't it?
is kind of breaking
Yeah,
away.
it's
That's
breaking,
going
and that's
out
a
of the
great time
window.
to be in. That's what I
Yes.
thought.
Yes.
True.
Although I still think we have a
Yeah.
lot more to do. There's a long way to go, but yes, there is
Long,
some
long way.
progress.
Yes.
Long way to go. When you say that, what is that going forward you want to see that maybe all of you, 2 or 3 things that you want to see happening with female content, you know, creators on and off camera going forward, the change you want to see?
I would say we still have this marketing thing with people. They'll say, अच्छा बहुत अच्छा content है, लेकिन आपको एकदम top की star नहीं मिल रही, तो OTT पे चलते हैं, safe. I am waiting that you have to just blatantly and दिल से बोलो कि हम इसको theater में भी लेके जाएंगे, इस actor के साथ लेके जाएंगे और OTT पे भी लेके जाएंगे. That confidence still has to come, and I think that's going to be a beautiful marriage between big makers and content bringers. जो भी लेके आते हैं content अच्छा सा, उनको अगर बड़े makers back करेंगे, I think this will happen not very soon, but gradually for sure.
Sure.
I
Kalki.
also think,
Yeah, sorry.
you know, this whole tag of this is a women-oriented script. You know, this is another thing that I just don't want to hear in 2021. This is a woman-oriented subject, and it'll be marketed like that, and it's not going to get the bells and the frills and the whistles that any other content, whether it's an OTT platform or in the theaters, would get. So, I mean, yes, it is changing. Times are changing, and OTT, I think, any OTT platform is very much responsible for the progress and bringing about the change that we're seeing. You know.
I mean, we come from an industry where Devika Rani was this thriving actor, producer in 1930s and 40s.
30s,
We've
yeah.
had Bimal Roy make films like Sujata in the 60s and Ketan Mehta make the Mirch Masalas in the 80s. So I think these films and filmmakers were way ahead of their times. And I don't think they sold those films to actors
Absolutely not.
as women-oriented. They were just feminist
Exactly.
films
Well said.
in the true sense. And that's what it was. I think we need to really, you know, I think when you label certain things, you really underline and you try to, you know, give focus. I think you need to really drop labels. I think that's something that we need in 2021, definitely.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री में एक्चुअली है, हम लोग फट से लेबल करते हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट हॉबी एवरीवन हैज हियर. वेरी गुड
Life
रोल,
में.
लेबल हर दिस वन, एंड शी कांट डू एनीथिंग बेटर, दिस वन ओनली, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू सी बियॉन्ड. एंड एनीथिंग फिल्म, दिस ओनली विल वर्क. लेट्स ऑल मेक अ हर्ड मेंटालिटी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और सब ऐसी फिल्में बनाएंगे.
Herd immunity चाहिए, herd mentality.
वो कल की वही तो बोली ना, अनकन्वेंशनल है आप. She's faced that so much, that labeling. But what is the one thing you want to see in terms of writing as well? Because Kalki, you write too. Because
Writing.
nowadays, yeah.
I think actually what we need is to bring the sort of unconventional and the, you know, the OTT stuff and the raw stuff to a commercial place. A little bit of what Divya is saying of, you know, it doesn't have to be an NGO film or, you know, a serious drama in order to cast women. You know, we need action films with women. We need comedies. We need the commercial space to be flooded with women as much as like an OTT space is at the moment.
And what I'm liking also is like,
Anji.
you know, women representation in on OTT also is changing now, which is good. Like, for example, the other day when we were talking about certain characters, like, you know, for women sometimes, if we are not as human beings also, we sometimes have to slot ourselves, like you need to be, you can't be happy staying alone, for example. But then there could be a character where she's happy staying alone, maybe she's not, maybe then there are these tick marks, no, and then these tick marks are,
शादी करनी जरूरी है, शादी
Exactly.
नहीं की तो क्या होगा?
So, मतलब जो करना है
Ambition
वो-
is a bad thing.
Exactly. So these tick marks, no, they are going out of like us. They should go out of us as like human beings also, and also the characters also are, I think, coming out of those slots, which is really a good thing. I
In
think.
terms of writing, I think they need to be as much in the real space as possible and not get sugar coated, because we see even love stories or whatever the stories, whatever you're saying, I think the characters need to be as is, they need not be flawless. Nobody's flawless. And let's just, let's just face it that every character, every human being that we come across, they have their own flaws, they have their own, grays, and let's celebrate that. Let's, bring out the flaws. Let's bring out the flaws in relationships, in characters, and let's talk about stories. Let's tell those stories. I think definitely writings in that sense.
But I'll tell you something, I'm really enjoying something. I shot for 2 different things right now. And what I loved was that if I suggested something that I want to, bring in a gray shade to the character, the directors have been very, very okay with it. They are open to it. Yeah, bring it on. There's no apprehension about, nay, this might not be accepted. That's gone. And I was so heartened and happy as an actor that I was like a girl in a candy store. Ki aapko jo karna hai, aap karo, lekin just make the frame look whatever. So that freedom wasn't like it is now, and I'm glad about that.
I had a very similar experience when I was shooting for Decoupled, and I think the whole idea of men coming forward and placing their suggestions in public domain on a set is has been rather so acceptable. It was such a pleasant change for me that I was involved as much as my male co-actor in the creative process, in the writing process, in the execution process. And I think that was such a high for me to see that change. So it was delightful experience I had, and that is changing.
To add to Divya ma'am and Sureen's experience, I had a similar experience on Ray's set. I'm shooting with Srijit Mukherjee, is directing it with along with Ali Fazal, and there's this one sequence which is, she's saying something, and I requested Srijit sir and the creative director from Viacom if I could rewrite the lines, keeping the structure and the fabric of the scene as is, because it was written with a male gaze. And it's sometimes really important that you write things as a woman, to just mouth the dialogues as a woman. And the instant reaction from my director and the showrunner was, go ahead. Just bring the material and we will include it. And the scene was actually, written in, as a team. It was written as a team, and they took my suggestions, they took my notes, and that's what you see on the film today. So I think that's brilliant. This inclusion, this
openness of
this
accepting
openness
it.
and accepting it. And they understood what I said. I said, the character and where she's coming from and what the sequence is, it needs to be a woman's dialogues. It needs to be a woman's experiences and not something that's written from a male gaze. And they understood that. And that is amazing.
Was fun. Yes, Kali.
Very good fun.
True. You have anything to add? Because you were part of also this amazing anthology. where-
Saying such great things. What can I add to this? I mean, I don't even know what the question is now. What is the question?
Even I got so lost in the narrative because it was so interesting. So, okay, let me just ask you another question. Is like also in terms of, you all act on the screen, and most of you also behind screen have written, but they also say women behind the screens, the percentage is a little less. We need to develop those skill sets. Do you see that happening a lot more now? And what kind of skill sets do you think women should imbibe?
I mean, I've been working primarily with women directors over the last few years, you know, Rakhi
same.
Sandilya and Zoya and Nitya Mehra. And I mean, there's just a list, Konkana. I mean, it's just going on and on. So that's really heartening. And there have been more and more camera women that I've been working with. But yeah, all in all, we still see a lot of men around. And I think that balance is starting to happen. I'm really hoping for the best. I'm right now looking for a female spot. Like a spot, yeah, because I just think it'll be more useful in certain realms. So yeah, I think things like this can really bring a change.
That's wonderful.
Also,
What a wonderful.
very true. So one question I'm going to ask you all, how do you perceive the statement now, female-oriented cinema is no longer art house cinema? पहले बोलते थे ना, जो हमने डिस्कस ही किया था, 80s and, art house. No longer. How do you perceive that statement now?
May I?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Well, I think it's a way of, discarding. It's kind of, when you say art house cinema, when you say ye indie film hai or ye bahut hi festival film hai, you're kind of telling the audience, oh, this is too intelligent for you. Don't watch this. And this is niche films and these are like niche content happening. I think that really needs to break, because today, I think especially after 2020, people have understood there's good content and there's bad content. That's it. I don't think there needs to be any other divide कि ये female oriented है और ये niche है और ये आपके समझ के बाहर है, क्योंकि हमने कई फिल्में ऐसे देखी जिसके posters पे लिखे leave your brains at home and come. I really don't understand what that means at all.
Exactly.
But I think that line is definitely blurring, and I think that definitely should go out.
Also, I think, sorry, you want to say something? Earlier, we had these typical thing कि mainstream cinema है, एक parallel cinema है. तो लोग उस बात से condition हो गए थे कि एक यश चोपड़ा है, एक श्याम बेनेगल है. आप इस slot में जाइए या इस slot में जाइए. So when I came in, I was signed by Shyam Benegal also, and I was signed by Yash Chopra also. So people were very confused कि इसको slot किधर करें. I think I confused them out. But
Good, I like that confusion.
Yeah, I love that confusion. It's nice to confuse them like that. But I'm saying now it's a great marriage between that kind of cinema and that kind of cinema. It, as she said, is good cinema or bad cinema. It is everywhere. It might fit into the theaters. It might fit into OTTs, but it is fitting in very well. And it is it's getting its audience. And I do want to give a lot of credibility to the audience for this. I think they are very receptive. They are wanting this kind of work. They are not taking those candy floss things anymore. They want realistic stuff. So I think that's a good marriage happening between realistic films and which can be commercial as well.
True.
Yeah, I think there are two things for me. One is, I think art house is a very flattering term. It means that your film is going to go on and live on for hundreds of years and people will remember it.
Not make the money.
Not bring the money, maybe. But, but it doesn't mean that it can't be, it can't be more. And the second thing is that, cinemas have been very humbled by COVID recently. Everything has been shut. And that's, for commercial cinema, a big wake-up call about where you're spending your money. What is it that your content is about? And I think these two things coming together, bringing in a good story, bringing in what is so-called art house into the mainstream is going to change stuff.
और जैसा हम कह रहे थे कि यार चीज़ें मतलब पहले भी हो चुकी है, जैसे सुजाता का आपने एग्जाम्पल दिया, वैसे मुझे अभी याद आ रहा था इन मराठी ऑल्सो हाईएस्ट जो पैसे जिस फिल्म ने कमाए हैं, इट वॉज माहिरची साड़ी विच वॉज अ वुमन ओरिएंटेड फिल्म, अलकाताई कुबल सो या फिर जयाजी की फिल्म में गुड्डी एंड ऑल, शी वॉज सुपरस्टार, इजंट इट? सो ये सिर्फ ये क्यों हम ये कह रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स सो ये जितने ज़्यादा ऐसी फिल्में आएंगी तो ये एक्सेप्शन ना बन के ये रूल बन जाए. मैं तो कहती हूँ मतलब कि विमेन ओरिएंटेड है तो
हो जाए,
हाँ विमेन ओरिएंटेड है तो आर्ट ही होगा.
I mean, Queen's Gambit is a perfect example. The actor, she just won, what was it, Golden Globes or something she won, Best Actress.
Yes.
And it's a
exactly.
commercial, out and out, thrilling, interesting story. So what is
Intelligent.
it? Yeah, and very intelligent, and why can't we just make that a norm when it comes to making movies?
It made me download chess on my phone. I mean, that's its popularity.
Yeah, so You
Also,
know?
I think with directors, there's a huge change. पहले आप कोई female director की film देखते थे, आप कहते थे चलो ये तो intellectual film है. Now with Reema Kakti coming in, with Zoya Akhtar coming in, with Farha Khan coming in, it's become commercial and yet a very intelligent cinema. So I think that's really great. And now people don't say कि वो female director है. ये बड़ा अच्छा change आ रहा है. बहुत अच्छा change आ रहा है ये.
Which is true. लास्टली जाते जाते नेटफ्लिक्स का ऐसा कौन सा शो है जो आपको मन है कि मैं वो आई प्ले द लीड प्रोटैगनिस्ट इन इट?
Queen's Gambit.
Queen's Gambit.
Crown. Crown.
Crown. What? Who do you want to play in the Crown?
Okay, I'll also say Orange is the New Black का कोई भी character चलेगा, because all the characters are so well written and you know, and they are so, as we were saying, they are not goody, you know, they are full of humanness, you know. Orange is the New Black.
आपके बॉम्बे बेगम्स की तरह.
You said it.
कल के श्वेता आप बताएं.
Okay, well, obviously we can't say Queen's Gambit, right? So,
Yeah.
Why is
I'd like to
I
play.
remembered the one that I wanted to play Claire Foy, please, from Crown. I love her.
I'd like to play Gillian Anderson's role in Sex Education as a sex therapist. I
Wow.
think that'd be a lot of fun.
Yes.
And I want to see it in the Indian context. Kalki, let's do it.
Yes,
I want to see it in the
we
Indian
need to talk about sex.
we need to.
Oh, that's a great idea.
I know, let's do it. Netflix, let's do it.
I'm really running out of names. I have to, like, the only name on my mind is Queen's Gambit. So I think, yeah, Anya Taylor-Joy.
करवा
Whoa.
करवा देते हैं. And hopefully we'll see a Desi version of Sex Education and Bridgerton also soon. Anyways, thank you so much, ladies. And well, happy Women's Day. But let's just celebrate each other.
Happy
Let's just celebrate each other every day and empower each other, you know. And instead of, because sometimes we tend to disempower us tribe too, but let's just empower each other.
Behind every successful woman is also
Is a woman.
a lot of women.
herself. Exactly. So all the very best. More power to you.
Thank you.
Thank you to you. Same to
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.